How to connect Verizon 5G home internet to TV. To connect your Verizon 5G home internet to your TV, you can use either a wired or wireless connection, depending on your TV capabilities. In this video, I'll show you how to do both. Turn on your TV and go to the settings menu. Navigate to the network settings. This might be labeled differently depending on your TV brand, such as Wi-Fi settings, internet settings, or network. Click on that, select Wi-Fi or wireless connection. Choose your Verizon 5 home internet network from the list of available networks. Enter the Wi-Fi password for your Verizon 5G home internet network. This password is usually found on the back of the Verizon 5G home internet router or in the documentation provided. Your TV should now be connected to the internet. You can also use wired connection Ethernet to connect internet to TV. Ensure your Verizon 5G home internet router is turned on and has an active internet connection. Locate the Ethernet port on the back of your TV. Connect one end of an Ethernet cable to an available LAN port on your Verizon 5G home Ethernet router. Connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port on your TV. Turn on your TV and go to the settings menu to the network settings and select wired connections or Ethernet. Your TV should automatically connect it to the internet via the wired connection. Thanks for watching.